Hey everybody, it's Brittany, and today we're gonna talk about my best photo shoot ever and why. So for this shoot, we were doing headshots for a woman-run company. They're a team of about 11 girls. We've been working with them for a while. They do a lot of marketing and branding, and they just wanted a little bit more of a fancier kind of shoot, a fancier look than we've done in the past. So for this, it was so helpful to have some great samples of what they wanted ahead of time. The location is huge for headshots especially. Now I know a lot of it gets blurred out in the background, but if you really want to have a specific look for your headshots, which these girls did, it's so important to do your homework ahead of time. We actually shot these photos in the second floor space. It was an event space above a restaurant, and it worked really well. It was a huge wide open space with great natural light. We brought in a lot of our own light, of course, and then they had some really fun furniture, some that was there and then some that they brought in that morning. Well, actually, we brought it in that morning and carried it up, but that's okay too. It's always good to carry furniture to your shoot. Lighting. Everybody knows that lighting is huge for photography. This is not new. But for this particular shoot, it was so nice to have the Aperture 600D along with my new friend, who is this beautiful, nice, big, soft light source. It's just a light dome by Aperture. Really great product to put on your subjects. We got it really close. We had it on a roller so that way we could move around quickly because there were 11 girls that we were shooting that day. You know, we didn't want to be taking photos for 8 or 10 hours, so having that light source on a roller was really helpful. The last thing that made this shoot probably what I think is my best shoot ever was posture. Don't be afraid to try out some different postures and some different looks for each person because not everybody is gonna look the best in the same exact position. So you're gonna as the photographer, you're gonna have to move them around and find that perfect position for their body and for their look. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you out on your next photo shoot so that way you too can have your best photo shoot ever. And if you really enjoyed this, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And if you really enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you always get all of the videos that we have coming out for you. Got some fun stuff coming up.